Hayleigh Power, Moyross ladies, ag gunda Luimnigh.
Me and my mother are best friends. Everything we do, we kind of do together.
Me and Hayleigh have always been so close. Everyone says we're so alike because we're very straight.
She appeared on my TikToks a couple of times. People just think she's mad. She's just one of them types of mothers that like my friends can come in and sit down with. I am her favourite child. I know I am her favourite child. Where I grew up, there would have been a lot of trouble, crime and stuff, but I suppose you get that anywhere.
I'm not going to cut Limerick down because it's my hometown and I love it. And 99% of the people in Limerick are brilliant.
There was a lot of trouble, but I always separated myself. I just was off. Like if you're looking for Hayleigh, she's in a field somewhere with a soccer ball with the boys.
It kept her on the right track. I think it's for a lot of youngsters in Limerick that they need something behind them as to not go down the wrong road, because it's very easy.
Football definitely kept me out of trouble. Even if I didn't have football, I think something else would have. But football definitely brought me to the places where I'm at.
Hayleigh lives and breathes soccer. Soccer is her life. It always has been, it always will be.
Chui skillan na Hayleigh ó neart go neart. Agus ní fada go rastal sí rialacha deir na Héireann faoi níd.
When she went for the trials for the FAI, I was on top of the world. I was so proud of her.
It was everything I dreamed of, to play for my country and get up there, and then when I got up there it wasn't what I expected it to be. My home team was everything to me, and missing out with them and stuff like that, it just wasn't for me.
In éindí le hé gintacht Hayleigh faoi irid na Héireann, bhí dúchláin eile ó sa cóir.
I started to discover was a click in my hip. The pain was excruciating, like it started travelling down my legs.
See the way she walked and couldn't get up and couldn't sleep in a bed was devastating for me, because I knew that it was devastating for her.
Around 19, then I was asked to sign for Cork City for the National League. I went down and this is where I thought I had an injury, but it wasn't. I was up and down to Cork for a couple of months, could never train. I was signed back with my team that I'm with now, Moyross, and it just wasn't stopping. I was playing on top of severe pain.
Eventually, she did meet a surgeon in Croom.
Within 5 minutes, after tests, I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis and lateral sacroiliitis. Basically, I've no cartilage between my SI joints in my pelvis, so it was bone on bone rubbing. That's what was causing it all the time.
All that was going around my head is, what you going to do? What you going to do? This is going to kill her.
Obviously, the closer people to me could see the pain. I didn't want to be left out of squads. I didn't want people to worry. I just wanted to play all the time. I inject myself now once every 2 weeks. The pain was severe, but it wasn't as important as playing football.
In anioin constacan arthritis, tá Hayleigh passionate faoi hacker go fáil.
I believe an underdog is someone who gets knocked down and gets back up and doesn't let anything get in their way.
As you can see, we've got no room. We have about 200 medals in there and trophies upstairs. It is her chance to show how she can play and at what level she can play at. And Hayleigh, to me, is at that level.
Once I see an opportunity, I'm like, nothing's getting in my way.
Underdogs, a go forward to the Airgrid.